All right, welcome everybody. What we're going to do is just head over to CoinMarketCap. We'll do a quick refresh and let's go over the crypto market. So right now we're doing pretty good. Bitcoin is at $28,000. So we are at a $1.18 trillion market cap. But what we want to get into is Cardano. Cardano hit 40 cents at one point, I remember last night. So let's take a look at the chart. And what's important to realize about Cardano is that this is one of the best cryptocurrencies that you can stake right now. So if you haven't already, check out our other videos here in the channel. We have videos showing you how to delegate, which is how to stake the Cardano assets that you already own. So we have different videos on how to set up a NAMI, how to do all those different things. So we are up about 3% on the day, so on the 24-hour, but it's only about 3 p.m. So we're doing pretty good on time. But if we look at Cardano, we're doing pretty good in terms of a 1-year scale. So even if we head over to our other slide here, Cardano has been a very interesting project in that the proof of stake has just been powerful. So if you don't already know how to do it, again, check out the channel, learn how to delegate your assets, because what you can do is you can delegate to stake pools, get rewarded with some of the new supply, and you have no risk in losing your funds because you're not sending it anywhere. It's not like you're yield farming or anything of that nature as well. So if we look at the year to date, not the 1 year, but the year to date, we're doing well. Okay, so these are going to be Canadian dollars. US dollars, I believe we were at 24 cents at one point, and now we hit, roughly 50 cents Canadian now. So we're doing good. We're up 56% on the year to date. And if you look at the articles, they're all over the place, right? You've got Forbes, Bitcoin and crypto are suddenly braced for a 1 billion US. It's all garbage. Don't listen to this stuff. If it happens, it happens. But you need to think long term with all of these investments, regardless of what the headlines are saying, right? So question everything, educate yourself in the space. Right now, I think Cardano is still an incredible buy as long as you're planning to hold into the next halving going forward. I think it would be a great move. So definitely like the like button, subscribe, and comment down below whatever questions you have. That would be great. So we will be producing a lot of content. We've got a lot of how-tos, and I'd like to cover different blockchains, not just Cardano and Bitcoin as much, but get into Cosmos, talk about their hub, talk about interoperability between these different blockchains. It's a very interesting space, and we also have links in the description below for online courses. So that's all we have for you in this one. Just a quick update. Bitcoin, again, at 28,000 USD. Cardano at about 40 cents. So we'll see you in the next one.